Hi all, welcome back to the new tutorial of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin, and in this tutorial we are going to learn, I would say, 4 formulas that are relating to log. So let's start, guys. So before going further, I will tell you like what log means. Like in general parlance, what we say, the log value is nothing but if we are keeping our base as 10, and whatever the power that we are making of this 10 would be the value of log. So if I'm just keeping my value as 0, my log value would be 1. If I'm keeping my log value that is 2 or 3, like that, the value would be 10, like that. If I just want to get the same value by putting this log formula, that is log 10, if I'm just putting one number, for example, I'm just putting 100, then the value of log would be 2, because if we are keeping as a base is 10 and the value that we are going to derive is 2, that is like if we are keeping as a base 10, and what is the power of 10, that would be the value of log. So enter. So here the value of log would be 2. So if you see in this example, if my log value is 0, sorry, 10, not log value, I would say, if I want to derive the value of 10 of a log, then it would be 1. And if I want to get the value of 100, the log 100, then the value would be 2, like that. In the same example we are able to see here, if I just want to get the value of 10, I'm getting the value of 1. So basically this is nothing but whatever number we will get here, that would be the power of 10. On the other way around, we have multiple formulas like ln, which says returns the natural logarithm of a number. So this is like we are keeping, or we are getting a number that is the base of exponential something. Before going further, I will tell you, like in previous video we had learned the formula that was exponential. If I'm just keeping 1, then I will get the value of exponential. And we have one more formula here, that is simple log, plain log. We can give the number and get the base. Like we can give the number and base also we can give, and we can get our output. So here if I want to give the number as 2 and the base would be 10, I'm getting the value of 0.33 something, like that. And if I'm just giving the number as 10 and I am getting the value as 1, so basically here this means is for this 10 number and the base would remain same, and what would be my log value. So for by applying this log10 formula, if I just want to compute the value of 10, I'm getting the one number, and if I'm just taking these both two parameters, I'm also getting the same number. But if you see, if I want to compute the value of natural log, then what I supposed to do, I have to take a given number. For example, if I'm taking this number, and I have to make the power of this number by the exponential. This is my natural log value. So if I'm just applying this ln formula and I'm putting the number as 1, I'm getting 0 actually. But if you are changing the number as 2, you are getting the number as 6, like that. Sorry, I'm doing something wrong. I can simply put my log formula here, and if I'm just keeping my number as 2, like basically I want to get the log of a number, and the base that I want to see here is my exponential value. That would be my value of ln. So if I want to compute the value of 2, so this value would be exactly same to this number, like that. So basically in nutshell, I can draw a conclusion like this. This is our normal formula where we can give a particular number and we can manually give our base. For example, if I'm putting the 100 number, I want to compute the value of log. Here I can define my base value also. If I'm just defining my base value as 10, I'm getting the value of 2, which we can reconcile with this log10 formula also, because there the base is very much clear and the value we will get by 2 only. But if we want to compute the value of 100, we are getting something different. Why we are getting different is because here the base value is different. If I want to give the number as 100 and the base would be exponential value, exponential, here the value I can give by applying this exponential formula and press enter. Here if you see, I'm getting the same value. Now jumping to the next formula, that is IML. So this formula is also same. Like if I'm giving the complex number, like 100 I'm giving, I will be getting the same number only. But if you see, the number length is pretty much high, and here the thing to understand is, by like we are giving as input as complex number. If you see my parameter also, this is I number, like complex number. So by putting this, I'm getting the stretch result like that. And we have more formula also on this log. We'll try to see in the next video where we'll see the uses of this complex number also. But till then, like, we have discussed these four formula like log, log10, and ln, and IMLN, like that. So hope you like the session. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Keep learning. Thank you.